Hi everyone. Well, Construflow is a software where you centralize data for a better communication and collaboration across all phases and teams. So the point here is that you have your projects in just one place, and this is the first screen in the software. And when you open a project, you have all your issues here. So you can use the Construflow between the office until the site, the maintenance and operations. And here you have the title, the description of this issue, you have the attachments of this, and some specific information like the category, discipline, locals, labels, and all of this you are building your database in the software. You can comment about this issue too, and good information here is that there isn't limit of users in Construflow, so you can invite all your team and you have the story and traceability about the decisions of the issue here. Well, with that, you have full control of your project. And about the unlimited users, you can use the visibility control. So, for example, if you need to talk with a specific group, you can use this visibility. And if you want to talk in the public way, you can use this visibility too. So you just can join the communication in a specific place and don't need to use other ways like the emails, for example, or messages. You have all the story of the project here in just one place. No matter if you use 2D drawings or BIM models, and we understood that in some specific projects it's very common start with 2D drawings, and after that, as project is improving, you start using BIM models. And the key point here is that you start using Construflow in the beginning of the project, so you don't lose the information here. You know, because you can use with 2D drawings, and after that you will improving with the project. We have plugins for a lot of softwares, as you can see: Civil 3D, Revit, Navisworks, ArchiCAD, and we have integration with BCF files, so you can use Bentley softwares, Solibri, and etc. And you can use free files together, so like pictures, videos, and audios. Imagine here you are in the site and you find for a specific problem, so you can use your mobile to create this issue, take a picture, make a video in the specific place, and you have the disciplines that are responsible to solve this problem. They would receive a specific notification about that. And this is the point here, because you can use in the desktop, in the office, for example, and in a mobile too. Well, so you have unlimited users and you have all your teams working together to have a better communication and collaboration, and you simplify the information exchange. You have here all the story, the name of the person made some decision, the day, so you have all information here about this problem. And we understood that we need to anticipate these problems, not just to report them. So the labels is a specific information here, very flexible, where you can put your lessons learned. You can share between different projects, a specific group of issues and appointments. You can too put your design guidelines, so you bring this to the designers in the beginning of the phase. You don't need to wait them share the design, and after that you appoint the problems. With that, you can put this in the beginning of the phase, and everybody is able to see what they need to do in the beginning of the work. So it's very useful. And you can organize other process like the meetings and etc. Well, you can make automatic reports for a better collaboration, when you need to share this with other people. So in just a few clicks, you have this report in PDF where you have all information from your project, the title, description of the errors and issues, the attachments, and here you can use to report problems or to anticipate them too. We have automated indicators, so here you can anticipate the issue resolution with intelligent insights, and we have different views to understand how is a specific project, how is your company and your projects inside Construflow. We have a specific view to understand the retrospective of the last projects and take lessons learned about that. A specific view about interactions and understand who is using the software or the project and when, to understand if your designers or team are working in the project when they need to do that. And with this data that we have more than 460,000 issues on our software, we understood that the first step is improve the reading in the issues. So here is our first feature with artificial intelligence, when you can improve your written just with a click. So you put your description here, and about a study that we did, we can suggest how to improve your issue with the topics, organizing the things, starting the sentence with a verb, and we know that will result in a problem solved faster, around 40%. Well, other way is to have a smart summary about your issues and notes here. So you can see the summary of the latest project decisions, about the comments, the last alteration inside the issue, without open it and need to read comment by comment. And as we are a CDE, you have easy access to all your project information. You can upload here your documents, files like BIM model, through the drawings, planning budget, project specification. You can interact with them inside the software. So you can standardize the documents names and track the progress about the status. It's very easy to filter documents very quickly, and you have the option to control visibility about the documents, very similar as I said with the issues and appointments. You have the traceability from the story, and you can download in preferred format your documents here. And interesting part here is that the issues are linked to documents, so you can view your documents online. You can overlay different documents and revisions and compare it automatically. So here we have two different revisions of the same document, and here we can see the difference between them because the software shows us automatically. Well, and we have Construflow Copilot, that is the features working with artificial intelligence. And here is where you can talk with documents in Construflow Drive. So here example asking how many water tanks do I have in the project, and it answers that are 3 water tanks, their locations and their capabilities. And I can assess the source of the answer, where I see how the final answers was formed in each document that is in Construflow Drive. I can use too um, I can use too to talk with my documents in the software. So here is other example asking what's the weight of the boundary wall, and the AI answers with the information and the documents that were used to compose the answer. And you can choose which one you want to view to check the information, as you can see here. In other way, you can talk to your issues and reports in the software. So here is other example using the these issues. We ask about the age of electrical outlets, and the AI looks for the answer using the project issues and shows where you can find it on the platform. And you can use to talking to BIM models too. So another way is by having conversations with the BIM model using natural language. And here, as you can see, we give some commands or requests and see how easy is to interact without needing specific knowledge in the software. Just see other examples here. And here are other example talking with the BIM model. So first they ask to filter the masonry walls and look that you can interact through audios or written messages, and this is very nice because you can use in the site, in a mobile phone, in a tablet. Or you can use the text messages too to find for specific information in your BIM model or documents. And AI answers in seconds. So this is the point where you first have to organize and have the information to artificial intelligence can help you to search this, such as in issues documents like text documents or BIM models and 2D drawings. And well, let's surf this wave together. Empower yourself with Construflow AI. And here is my contacts in LinkedIn if you want to connect with me and talk more about that.